Let the soft, easeful current of breath entering your body draw your awareness into your body. Feel the inhalation as it moves deeply inside of you. And as you breathe out, let your body sink into the bed or the floor. Allow yourself to be within. Allow the breath to nourish this experience and this journey. Anchor the awareness within through the breath for a few more moments. Feeling the softness of the inhalation and the unhurried exhalation as everything sinks and softens. It's okay to feel tension inside of you. If you do feel any such tension, let the out-breath assist in softening some of these areas. You may like to feel as though the breath is not simply air, but is, in essence, the prana, the energy, carried on the breath. You may like to also imagine or sense that the breath is not just simply air, but it's an energy that comes from source, from the source of all creation, a loving, kind, compassionate entity that enters the body, loving awareness, unconditional truth. Drop into your breath for a moment or two longer. As you do, notice the sounds that you can hear in the background. Perhaps the soft tinkle of water. Perhaps birdsong. Perhaps the breeze. And let it all be part of this experience. Move the awareness now to the sense organs with your full awareness, just the best you can. Notice what you can hear. Notice any sounds that you can hear close to you. Just being curious, being open. Hear the sounds close to you and see how it feels to then move the awareness a bit further away. Hearing sounds maybe outside of the room. Maybe your loved ones moving about. Hearing sounds further still outside of your house. Kids playing in the street. Perhaps the sound of voices. A car. No need to label or identify or categorize or judge any of these sounds, just noticing what is there in the field of awareness. Pushing the awareness further out with curiosity. How far can you go? What do you notice and what do you hear? And then slowly start to return, as though you have left this body on this bed and you've traveled far out into the astral field, and now you're returning back through the sense organs. The awareness that has the capacity to expand far beyond your physical body, your essence, nature, your true nature, awareness itself. Now awareness of sound is traveling back and becoming awareness of returning to the body. Feel yourself settle in, awareness within. And now, perhaps there's an intention, a sankalpa, that you wish to invoke for this practice. A short statement starting with I, present tense, positive language, designed to support you. Something that you deeply desire. Perhaps for yourself, perhaps for others. I am, I feel, anything at all that should arise, trusting in this. And should a sankalpa arise for you, then say it in your mind 3 times with the same words, feeling it as you say these words. And now give thanks and let this go. Bring the awareness now into the body, moving in a rotation of consciousness around the physical body. Let's start with the right hand thumb. No need to move, just simply bring awareness to the feeling of that particular part of the body and let yourself travel around. Awareness to the right hand thumb, second finger, third finger, fourth finger, fifth finger. Awareness to the felt sense of the palm of the hand, the back of the hand. Awareness to the wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit. And now feel the whole right arm and hand. Feel this limb. Feel the hand, feel the fingers. Notice sensations. Notice the ever-changing landscape of sensations. Feel this awareness, this loving awareness, nurturing every cell in your body, just as it is. Move your awareness up to the right side of the chest, to the right side of the rib cage, waist, whole right side of the torso, and now to the right hip, thigh, knee, lower leg, ankle, heel, sole of the right foot, top of the right foot, instep, right big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. And now, be aware of the right toes, the right foot, the whole right leg. Sense and feel this limb. Sense and feel any sensations that are arising in this moment. Arising and passing through in a continuum. Move the awareness now to the left hand thumb. Feel this. And now, awareness to the second finger, third finger, fourth finger, and fifth finger. Palm of the left hand, back of the hand, wrist, lower arm, elbow, upper arm, shoulder, armpit. Feel the whole left arm, hand, fingers. Feel all the sensations. Bring awareness now to the left side of the chest, rib cage, left side of the waist, whole left side of the torso. Awareness to the hip, thigh, left knee, lower leg, ankle, heel, sole of the foot, instep, top of the foot, left big toe, second toe, third toe, fourth toe, and fifth toe. And now, be aware of the whole left leg, left foot, toes. Feel this. Bring awareness now to the back of the body. Feel both buttocks. Feel the whole of the spine, the whole of the back, left and right sides, shoulder blades. Bring the awareness to the back of the neck and the back of the head. Feel the back of the body and the pressure against whatever you're lying on. Surrender the weight of the body into this support, resting at ease. Moving now to the crown of the head and to the front of the body. Forehead, eyebrows, eyes, nose, cheeks, mouth, chin, jaw, throat, collarbones, center of the chest, whole of the chest, diaphragm, upper abdomen, navel, lower abdomen, groin. Bring awareness now to the internal organs within the torso. Awareness to the reproductive organs nestled in the pelvis, the digestive organs nestled in the abdomen. Bring awareness to the liver, kidneys, gallbladder, spleen. Awareness to the lungs, to the heart. Sense and feel these internal organs soft and well. Signals from the mind to the organs, and from the organs to the mind. Bring awareness now to the whole body. Sense and feel both arms, both hands, both legs, both feet, torso, neck, head, face, and feel the unified field of your body, all parts connected, all parts in communication. The whole body. And now bring awareness to your breath, resting at ease. Feel and sense the inhalation. Feel and sense the exhalation. Every in-breath a new beginning, and every out-breath a surrender to what is. Every in-breath the present moment, and every out-breath letting go of whatever it is that we think we know. Every in-breath a new moment, and every out-breath letting go of the control we feel we have, and yet we don't. Surrendering to the breath, to the impulse of the breath that continues on regardless of our intent, regardless of our actions or our efforts. The body being breathed, The breath, the tool that is always there. The breath, the tool to bring you back to center in times of need. So find where the breath resonates the most for you, perhaps the heart, perhaps the nostrils, perhaps the whole body. And as you breathe, say these words in your mind, the mantra affirming to you your deepest, highest self, your true essence. So on the inhale and hum on the exhale, meaning I am that, pure consciousness, eternal. Inhaling as you say so in your mind, and exhaling hum. And let the mantra bring you to a place of presence. Inhaling so and exhaling hum. I am that. Knowing that every breath, every repetition of this mantra, affirming that we are all in this together. We are all eternal, essence nature. Spirits designed to be here for a moment or two, and then to go. Let go of this mantra and bring your loving awareness back to your heart. Feel that you have arrived in the space of the heart, unconditional love, truth. Bring your sankalpa back to heart and mind and say the same words 3 times. Give thanks and let this go. And as you let this go, you may like to simply drift off into sleep, allowing yourself to bathe in this energy of practice, of invocation and connection to Source, a power much greater than the individual, a source of comfort, support. Rest well.